Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge hits at the Bharatiya Janata Party over a poison remark. Kharge has said Bharatiya Janata Party is poison and must be thrown out. Mallikarjun Kharge adds there is no need to lick poison like the BJP is. Maharashtra banished Modi's 400 ke par. Remember, he's referring to election results where, apart from Uttar Pradesh, it was also the state of Maharashtra that did give a shocking result to the Bharatiya Janata Party and to the NDA. Here's what Mallikarjun Kharge says: poison and BJP. What did he mean?
देखो, अगर आप बोलेंगे गलती से, ये साफ है भाई, इसको नहीं छूना बोल के अगर मैं बोला, वो कैसा रहता देखेंगे बोल के पकड़ने गए, तो आपको वो विष तुम्हारे शरीर में उतरेगा। नहीं, मैं जरा विष है भाई, इसको मत आप छुओ बोल के अगर मैंने कहा, नहीं मैं जरा चाट के देखता हूं, अगर आप बोलेंगे तो क्या हालत होगी तुम्हारी? वैसा ही बीजेपी एक विष है जैसा है, एक पॉइजन जैसा है। इसको चाट के देखने की जरूरत नहीं, इसको निकाल के फेंकने की जरूरत है।
My colleague Mustafa Sheikh is joining me this morning. Mustafa, good morning. Tell us more about where was he speaking and what made him use the term poison with the Bharatiya Janata Party, because there's going to be clearly a strong reaction and a showdown on this.
Well, it was yesterday in Mumbai where the birth anniversary of former PM Rajiv Gandhi was being celebrated. Sharad Pawar, Uddhav Thackeray, Mallikarjun Kharge was on the same stage at this occasion when Mallikarjun Kharge went on to say that Maharashtra needs a strong government of MBA. As you know that the elections in the state of Maharashtra are coming up soon, and advocating for the MBA alliance. He went on to say that BJP is poisonous and don't touch or taste it. You have to remove it. And he also congratulated Maharashtra for stopping BJP in the Lok Sabha elections actually.
All right, Mustafa, keep tracking the latest because pretty sure we're expecting a Bharatiya Janata Party reaction on this. Poison is BJP. Let's listen in again once to what did Mallikarjun Kharge say. He's the Congress chief after all, remember, and therefore is this as much a party statement?
देखो, अगर आप बोलेंगे गलती से, ये साफ है भाई, इसको नहीं छूना बोल के अगर मैं बोला, वो कैसा रहता देखेंगे बोल के पकड़ने गए, तो आपको वो विष तुम्हारे शरीर में उतरेगा। नहीं, मैं जरा विष है भाई, इसको मत आप छुओ बोल के अगर मैंने कहा, नहीं मैं जरा चाट के देखता हूं, अगर आप बोलेंगे तो क्या हालत होगी तुम्हारी? वैसा ही बीजेपी एक विष है जैसा है, एक पॉइजन जैसा है। इसको चाट के देखने की जरूरत नहीं, इसको निकाल के फेंकने की जरूरत है।